Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Ronnie V. Lingdor joins NPP, marks major political shift. No promises made to new MLAs, says NPP Chief Conrad Sangma. Chief Minister Sangma denies expansionist agenda as Congress leader joins NPP. And Meghalaya gears up for national games. The news in detail. Former Congress legislator Ronnie V. Lingdor officially joined the National People's Party during a ceremony at the Chief Minister's residence on Tuesday. Lingdor confirmed that all formalities, including Assembly Speaker recognition, have been completed. He cited widespread consultations with constituents and a shared desire for development as the driving force behind his decision, denying any opportunism or deal-making. Welcoming him, NPP President and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma called it a significant shift for the Milliam constituency, stressing unity and people-centric politics.
Both the leaders who are, very, very experienced and, important leaders in their own capacity, they have both, understood and worked and that we need to work together. These are questions and situations which will unfold in the future. And Baroni has also expressed that he has not come with any preconditions. And Hamlet also, without any preconditions, has accepted Baroni coming into the party, realizing that it only leads to the strength of the party.
National People's Party NPP President and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma clarified that no promises or assurances were given to legislators who recently joined the party. Addressing the media, Sangma stated that the only commitment made was to ensure that government schemes and development projects reach their constituencies. He highlighted recent initiatives such as the creation of a new block in Mauhati and road projects in constituencies of the newly joined MLAs, with similar efforts planned for Milliam. He added that the new members joined the party with a willingness to collaborate for the state's development.
Come with no preconditions. I was very clear from day one that it is difficult for us to give any kind of commitment on anything. So all of them have been very clear that the only commitment that they want from the government and from me as Chief Minister is a commitment to develop their constituency, the commitment to give them large developmental projects, to ensure that the different schemes are given to their constituency and to their people, and that is the only condition.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has dismissed claims that the National People's Party NPP is pursuing an expansionist agenda following the induction of senior Congress leader Ronnie Lingdor into the party. Speaking to the media, Sangma emphasized that the decision to join was entirely voluntary and not driven by NPP's intent to boost numbers. Reflecting on his 8-year tenure, he highlighted the coalition government's resilience through challenges and reiterated the party's long-term unity and commitment to serving the state's interests.
No, I think it's not a question of wanting more. People are joining and are happy to be part of the National People's Party. And so, obviously, we welcome when people want to come in. And I've been very clear from day one to all our coalition partners that we have been working together for the last 8 years now almost. And we have been through ups and downs to thick and thin. And I must put on record in this moment that our coalition partners stuck with us.
Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Shaklyar Warjari assured that Meghalaya is fully preparing to host the upcoming national games. He noted that sports associations are actively training athletes and renovations are underway to upgrade venues to national standards. Calling it a golden opportunity, Warjari urged athletes to give their best and expressed confidence that all arrangements will be ready in time to boost the state's sporting ecosystem.
Message to our athletes is, since this opportunity is there for all of you, make sure you work hard. That is my only advice, because this is a great opportunity. Maybe through this platform you can achieve all your goals. That is what all your goals that you have.
Members of the Hinyu-Trep National Youth Movement and Hinyu-Trep Youth Council apprehended around 10 migrant workers lacking valid documents in Ribhoi district. Led by Donal Mukte, among others, the organizations conducted preliminary verification before sending the individuals back and filing a formal report. The groups later met with the officer in charge of Umsning police station, expressing concern over rising instances of undocumented entry and urging stricter checks at the Bernihat infiltration check gate, including mandatory labor license and police verification procedures.
Adin bagila cek ki kot kisla ki jongki ngilap ba kidon ki bana pedeng jongki ki baladon ya kan labor certificate napok ke labor department kat kum ki kendon mah te ya kitu ngilap hak bakin lek te hande kidon ro napeng jongki ki ba kim 4 yo setia ya kan ka labor certificate ki dangdan tang ya ka receipt mah tang ya ka receipt te de ha ade ha lor tu ka benta ka pelong ini ya kini ki prangot ba ngin penpai biang yaki shaka jala lane shaka jaka kaba kiwan.
Members of the Provisional Town Vending Committee met with Shillong Municipal Board CEO P.K. Boro at the Urban Affairs Office to address delays in issuing certificates of vending to street vendors. Representatives from key vendors associations including Angela Rangad, among others, along with KSU member Ruben Najiar, attended the meeting. PTVC member E. Chen said the discussion ended on a positive note with a commitment to peaceful collaboration and a follow-up meeting promised.
ngin palaban lay ngi sakot ngin penlong biang ya ke meeting pandang ila ban penlong be ke meeting ngin sa pelat kini ke maro.
The Earth Tree and the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council signed a memorandum of understanding for a 40-year tree planting initiative across the hills and valleys of Jaintia Hills. Facilitated by H. Morman, the event featured Earth Tree Director Sunny Donkupar Maoyong, who warned of alarming landscape degradation and stressed the urgency of ecological recovery. JHDC Chief Forest Officer F.W. Blah praised the Council's vision and emphasized the importance of planting both trees and shrubs.
Penamkan di gidin gedangdum. Dari sana ini di kenor di pelong di kicuki, ubin tak selam, nek di gambar so sansnem. Dari sana di sahabat di jekangin, nek di doa isnem kedal tak biar mending di gihe. Dari kini kepada kosop hafnem man ko biang bah.
Members of the Union of Sandstone Crusher Pickup Auto Truck Association staged a protest and shut down 2 stone crushers operated by companies involved in the Nongstoin-Wakaji and Nongstoin-Kershai road projects. The association accused the firms of illegally selling crushed stones meant for road construction to the public, impacting local stone traders and quarry workers. Protesters later met West Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner Garrod LSN Dykes, urging swift action. Association member Mau Kordor Kar Siemle said a formal complaint will be submitted to support their demand.
Hadin bangli inspection ngilang lek municipal tang le inspection ngila khangno buat klik neki company namar ba kila supply be an ya uni umau sha ki local ki chongi ba ha pa ka West Khasi Hills war eastern west umi sngo ba ki supply ba west south west ki sngo ba ki supply te nak kalian ka jongi kamut ba kemdesu ji kerpat mening kong la lek insua ni dang kerpat dari mata kambe su ji kerpat di maham ngongi ni maham direct bejaki ba kimdesu ban lek ya kene kam la bala ni lap kamut ba ni hab ban se ni hab lek da wilan tipat.
Cabinet Minister and BJP leader A.L. Hek has strongly urged the state government to address the ongoing salary crisis in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, where employees have reportedly not been paid for over 42 months, calling the delay a grave injustice. Heck questioned how workers are surviving without pay and stressed the need for immediate intervention. While stopping short of demanding administrators' rule, he stated the government must thoroughly assess the situation and take appropriate action in the interest of the employees.
Yeah, we have seen if we don't pay salary for 2-3 months, people are crying. I know how people can still surviving after denying the salary for the last 42 or 42 months. So that the government and the competent authority will survey on the issue. So whatever it is fine to do the best for the benefits of the people, they should do it. For the benefits of the employee, they should do it.
On the 21st day of the NGEA sit-in protest at William Point, the Garoland State Movement Committee joined in solidarity, demanding clearance of pending GHDC salaries. Led by Balkarin CH Marak, GSMC members held placards like Save GHDC and pledged full support. The protest began on 7th July and intensified on July 29th, with employees blocking office operations over 42 months of unpaid dues.
We as the Garoland State Movement Committee, we would like to support our employees like NGA. They are not getting almost 308 months till today. So we support them so that our CM of Garo Autonomous District Council and as well as our Chief Minister of Meghalaya, they should think that this is the serious issues that they should think for their salaries.
M. Sangma, a subdivisional agriculture officer swept away by the Ganol River on Sunday, was recovered at Pelgawari, Tura. The 3-day search involved the SRT, SDRF, Araimail Police and locals. Sangma was caught in strong currents while crossing the river during a family outing at Idenbari. Recognizing the need for physical fitness and life skills, Sengkhasi Secondary School Mauplang has launched kickboxing training for both girls and boys under the guidance of trainer Royalson Lapang. The initiative, aimed at channeling students' energy into productive pursuits, also prepares them for the upcoming first state-level kickboxing championship in September. Teacher Belinda Lingdaw emphasized the sport's role in fostering discipline, confidence and self-defense, urging parents to support their children's participation for holistic development.
Penora yang di kickboxing kini ke sekolah jengi kalau ba ni ibang iladan kam ya kata nang maru pagi kena kini kejuk mata tang ban display ke pat ning dan kam ba ke sports pat kawe kini ngai limba kini ke sports ngi bagi kena limba jo kini kickboxing kila ban kandon concentration, self respect, discipline but self confidence.
And a quick look at the weather report now. First, the weather report for Tura. The minimum temperature recorded was 25 degrees Celsius, the maximum 31 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 74% and 2.9 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius, maximum 26 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 70% and 5.1 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. Meanwhile, in Jowai, the minimum temperature was 20 degrees Celsius, maximum 26, and the relative humidity was 72%. Also, 3.5 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. The forecast for Tura, Shillong and Jowai says heavy rain and thundershower is likely to occur at most places. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. Ronnie V. Lingdaw joins NPP, marks major political shift. No promises made to new MLAs, says NPP Chief Conrad Sangma. Chief Minister Sangma denies expansionist agenda as Congress leader joins NPP. And Meghalaya gears up for National Games. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.
আৰু কিছু সিলেক্টেড ভেঞ্চাৰ কলেজকো